नमस्कार, मैं अनरब न्यूज चैनल में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। मैं रिचर्ड सैमसन दिल्ली से रिपोर्टिंग कर रहा हूँ। आज की जो मैं खबर लाया वह भारत से है। 3 फरवरी को कोविड के बीच एरो इंडिया की उड़ान होने वाली है। आत्मनिर्भर भारत की चर्चा पूरे देश में हो रही है। अब मैं आपको पूरी खबर विस्तार में बताता हूँ। एरो इंडिया टेक्स ऑफ अमिड्स कोविड ऑन 3 February. आत्मनिर्भर भारत is on birth in the whole country. Now the news and details. With a combination of both physical and virtual exhibition, the 13th edition of the biennial international event at Air Force Station Yelahanka will be the world's first hybrid aerospace show, officials said. The country's premier aerospace and defense exhibition Aero India 2021 takes off here on Wednesday amidst the COVID-19 pandemic with buzz around Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan and Make in India push. With a combination of both physical and virtual exhibition, the 13th edition of the biennial international event at Air Force Station Yelahanka will be the world's first hybrid aerospace show, officials said. A negative COVID-19 RT-PCR test report dated January 31st 9 am or later is a must to attend the 3-day event, where each day only 3,000 visitors will be allowed at the flight display venue in view of the pandemic. As many as 601 exhibitors, 523 Indian and 78 foreign and 14 countries have confirmed participation. They said companies are showcasing their capabilities, latest technologies, solutions, products and services at the show. Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) will exhibit its latest defense technologies and demonstrate many systems. We will continue to support Make in India policy and Atmanirbhar Bharat mission of the Indian government to promote indigenous production, knowledge transfer and global industrial cooperation to facilitate Indian export of high-end defense technology, said Ellie Heifetz, Corporate Regional Director India, Rafael Advanced Defense Systems Limited, Director at Industry Lead for Aerospace and Defense in India, Dassault Systems, Ravi Kiran Pothikuchi, said the aerospace and defense sector in India is at an inflection point. Given the large-scale modernization and indigenization programs being undertaken by the government, Alex Zeno, Executive Vice President Business Development and Future Programs, Rolls-Royce said, we recognize that India's defense requirements are evolving, making indigenous development of modern defense hardware and technology to top priority for the Indian government. Aligned with Indian government's Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan and the Make in India initiative, we look forward to participating in Aero India 2021 and reinforcing our commitment to supporting the growth of an indigenous defense manufacturing ecosystem, while continuing to deliver our best capabilities to support the Indian MOD and services, said William Blair, Vice President and Chief Executive, Lockheed Martin India. Among the key attractions will be the flight display by Surya Kiran Aircraft and Sarang Helicopters. Don Heflin, US Charge D'Affaires, will lead a high-level delegation of US government officials and defense industry representative to Aero India 2021. One of the highlights of the show, a B-1B Lancer heavy bomber of the 28th Bomb Wing based out of Ellsworth Air Force Base in South Dakota, will perform a flyby. Bengaluru headquartered Hindustan Aeronautics Limited would showcase Atmanirbhar Formation Flight. The Atmanirbhar Formation Flight, consisting HAL products such as LCA Trainer, Lift Trainer, HTT-40, IJT, Advanced Hawk Mk-132 and Civil Do 228 will fly in a special formation showcasing the spectrum of trainers and signifying self-sufficiency in the trainer segment, it said. According to officials, beside global leaders and investors in aerospace industry, the show will also see participation by think tanks from different parts of the world. Aero India will provide a unique opportunity for exchange of information, ideas and new developments in the aviation industry. In addition to giving a fillip to the domestic aviation industry, it would further the cause of Make in India, they said. Aero India is a platform for aerospace enthusiasts, prospective defense industries, aspirant startups, and all other stakeholders to participate and witness the advances in global defense and aerospace fields and interact with many national and international delegations and industries, officials said. आज की खबर में बस इतना ही। देखते रहिए, सुनते रहिए मयान अरब न्यूज चैनल लेटेस्ट खबरों के लिए, और आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मेरी खबर सुनने के लिए। घर पे रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, अपना ख्याल रखिए। This was Richard Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. Keep watching our channel for latest news updates in Hindi, English, and also Arabic. Stay home, stay safe, and take care of your family.